It's gonna be hard to see, but this is my eggplant plant, and right behind this leaf is an eggplant. There's actually two of them. I'm gonna harvest them today. I'm going to harvest my eggplants today. I have one right here and one over under there. You can barely see it right there. Okay, so I pushed back some of the leaves so I can get in here and cut this so it falls right into my basket. Oh, you almost fell out. So I have my basket underneath the second one, and I'm just gonna come up here and cut him off. And now I have my first harvest of eggplants. I have a couple bell peppers. I don't think they're gonna get any bigger. I have two on this plant and one on the plant over here. So I'm gonna harvest those also today. Let me show you the other pepper. He is right there. I'm loving this small harvest. I got all those tomatoes yesterday, and I just kept an eye on these eggplants for the past week or so, and I think they are just perfect, and I don't think these were gonna get any bigger. So my plants are kind of small, my pepper plants, so I want to pick these now and encourage it to grow some more for later. Yesterday there was a big storm coming, so I ran out and harvested all of these cherry tomatoes, the red and the yellow ones. These will just be added to the ones I already have. Thanks for watching.